Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix emails not syncing on your Android. Now, quick one guys, if you open up your Android but your Gmail application, the emails aren't really synchronizing well, I'll show you a fix for this. Now, the main cause for this are basically obviously two reasons. It's the internet connection or maybe running on an outdated Gmail version. So step number one, if you're using mobile data, I recommend you to first turn it off and then turn on airplane mode for like 3 to 4 seconds, then turn it off. After that, turn back the mobile data and then try synchronizing again. If that doesn't work, try switching to Wi-Fi. Just click on the Wi-Fi over here and see the available Wi-Fi. For my case, I have this free Wi-Fi which is called the Liquid Telecom. If I want, I could connect to it. Now, the last fix for this, it's quite simple. You need to come to Google Play Store and then update your Gmail application. In most cases, if you're using an outdated Gmail application, obviously the synchronization will be halted. Now, quick one guys, come to Google Play Store, search for Gmail. You can see this one is outdated. Then hit the update button. Okay, so basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.